Definition of church in the Bible. Bible Nuggets. Matthew 16:18, where Jesus says to Peter, "And I tell you, you are Peter, and on this rock I will build my church, and the gates of hell shall not prevail against it." This verse provides a foundational understanding of the church as being built upon the truth and revelation of Jesus Christ, withstanding any and all attacks from the enemy. However, a more complete and challenging definition of the church can be found in 1 Corinthians 12:12-14, which says, "For just as the body is one and has many members, and all the members of the body, though many, are one body, so it is with Christ. For in one Spirit we were all baptized into one body, Jews or Greeks, slaves or free, and all were made to drink of one Spirit. For the body does not consist of one member but of many." This passage highlights the church as being a unified and diverse body, made up of individuals from different backgrounds and walks of life, all united by the Holy Spirit. It challenges us to see the church as more than just a building or a religious institution, but as a living organism with Christ as the head and each member playing a vital role. Furthermore, 1 Peter 2:9 also provides a challenging definition of the church, stating, "But you are a chosen race, a royal priesthood, a holy nation, a people for his own possession, that you may proclaim the excellencies of him who called you out of darkness into his marvelous light." This verse emphasizes the identity and purpose of the church as being a chosen people, set apart to declare the goodness and glory of God to the world. In summary, the church is not just a physical place or a gathering of believers, but a living and unified body, chosen by God and empowered by the Holy Spirit to proclaim His truth and love to the world. It is both a challenging and beautiful definition that reminds us of the great responsibility and privilege we have as members of the church. Greg Gaines. Father, grandfather, minister, missionary, deacon, elder, author, digital missionary, foster parents, welcome to our family.